this video, I'm gonna be spending $10,000 in 10 minutes. I'm just kidding, you're not watching a Mr. Beast video, you're watching a finance video, but not just a regular finance video, a cool finance video. No offense, but I wouldn't exactly call it cool. Anyway, I'm going to share with you exactly how I manage my money each month and all of the apps and tools that I use to make it easy. We get paid around $10,000 each month and our money is split into 3 different places: personal expenses, business expenses, and investing. Personal expenses. Our living expenses cost $2,200 per month, and this includes our mortgage, council, and strata. Living expenses are one of the biggest expenses that people have, and most people have around 40% of their income allocated towards their rent or mortgage. But for Pablo and I, our living expenses make up roughly 20% of our income, so even if we do go a little bit over budget in some of the other categories, it doesn't matter too much. Utilities, $200 per month. I've been taking cold showers for 3 months now, just like Matt Devella, and I've got to say, my utility bill has gone down quite a lot, and also my showers are a lot more pleasant. It's so cold! Oh, it's so cold!
Queenie, are you alright? Are you taking a cold shower?
I'm just kidding, I love taking hot showers. In order to lower our utility bills, we shop around for the best electricity plan. 86400 has this really cool feature where you can basically email them a PDF copy of your electricity bill, send it off to them, and they will reply in a few minutes to tell you if you could save money by switching electricity plans. 86400 is who we bank with, and they have a 1.2% interest rate. And if you would like to check them out for yourself, I do have an affiliate link down in my description below where you can get a free $20, telco and internet for $80 a month. Obviously, since Pablo and I do run this YouTube channel, we couldn't just rely on getting free Wi-Fi from an internet cafe or the library. So we spend money so that we have a good internet connection and also a good Wi-Fi modem. To save money on our phone and internet bill, I think it's important to double check and see how much internet and data we're actually using each month, and then see if we can save some money by going with a cheaper plan. And I do have some affiliate links down in my description below to my phone and internet providers, so we can both get some free bill credits. We spend around $1,000 per month on our groceries. I think it's important to find a balance between finding food that is affordable but also healthy, and also making meals that will also save you time. One thing that has really helped us save money is buying our long life milk on subscription on Amazon. The great thing about buying our long life milk on Amazon is we actually save quite a bit of money, and we also save quite a lot of time as well, and we don't even have to think about buying milk because it gets automatically delivered every 2 months. The more we can streamline our lives and find ways to save time, the more time we'll have for other things like having fun and just enjoying our life. And if you would like more information about how I save money on my grocery bill, you can also watch this video up here. We spend around $200 per month on transport, and this includes our fuel, rego, insurance, servicing, and also public transport. Just like our internet, phone, and electricity, we also like to find a good deal on our car insurance, and we also do negotiate the price. In fact, this is how we were able to negotiate the price of our car insurance. Hey, so I noticed that my insurance is $750, but I saw some other providers doing the same insurance for $550. Can you do a better deal? Sure, let me just check. So it looks like we can bring it down to $550. It really was as easy as that, so maybe you could give it a try next time. We go to a pretty fancy and expensive gym that costs us $480 per month, but we absolutely love it. $998, $999, $1,000.
No, but Queenie, you only did 3.
No, I did 1,000.
Ah, yeah, you did 1,000.
You're gonna edit this part out.
Of course I will.
The reason why we're happy to invest more money in our gym membership because it just saves us so much time. Our gym is less than a 10-minute walk away, and when we go to our gym, we usually do classes and all of the equipment is already set up. All we really need to do is just watch our instructors, do the exercises, and then head on back home. Each month, we spend around $800 per month on personal discretionary expenses, for example, eating out, clothes, entertainment, getting massages, and travel. travel. This is the average spend for the past couple of months, but it really does go up and down depending on any events that we have planned in that month, and also if there are Black Friday sales. Because you know me, I love finding a good deal, and I was definitely shopping those good Black Friday sales. But before we buy anything, I really like to think about it and really consider if I actually do need that purchase or not. We spend around $60 per month on our subscriptions, and we like to buy subscriptions that will really save us time and also help us generate more income in the future. These are the subscriptions that we currently have. So we have Audible, Calm, AnyList, Spotify, and Amazon Prime. Out of all the subscriptions that we have, in my opinion, Amazon Prime is probably my favorite one, because not only do we get free express shipping with our Amazon Prime membership, and as you know, I do like to shop quite a bit on Amazon, especially for things like my long life milk. But we also get access to Amazon Prime, where we can actually watch movies and TV shows and things like that. And one subscription that is entirely free, no strings attached, is this YouTube channel. So make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. For all of our purchases, we like to use our credit cards. We currently have an American Express Qantas Premium card and also a Qantas Everyday MasterCard. And we use these credit cards to pay for all of our expenses, so then we can get points for every dollar that we spend, and then later redeem those points for free travel. We use a credit card, but we don't pay any interest, and we never get into any debt on our credit card. We essentially just use our credit card just like a debit card, because we are always paying off the full balance on time. If you would like more information about how we use credit cards to get rewarded for money that we're spending anyway, you can check out this video up here, and I also do have some affiliate links down in my description below to the credit cards that we're using. Business expenses. A few months ago, Pablo and I went from doing this YouTube channel as a side hustle to doing it full time. Luckily, we don't have an entertainment YouTube channel, so we don't need to spend heaps and heaps and heaps of money to keep you guys entertained. This is the private island that I bought to film my next YouTube video. Haters will say this is fake. But of course, we still do spend quite a bit of money to keep you entertained. There are two main categories of expenses that we have for our business. The first is OpEx expenses, and these are just day-to-day business expenses just to keep our YouTube channel and social channels up and running. And the next category of expenses are CapEx expenses, and these are more long-term investments in the business. So I'm going to put on my accounting jacket so I can walk you through all these different expenses. Ta-da! We spend around $600 per month for OpEx expenses, and this includes expenses such as Google Business emails, PayPal fees, postage for our e-commerce store, Xero, business registration fees, and accounting fees. CapEx expenses, $500 per month. And this includes expenses such as video equipment, including cameras, microphones, and lights. Technology, for example, computers, laptops, screens, keyboards, and our mouse. Software such as Final Cut Pro and other pieces of video software such as TimeBolt. And online courses so we can invest in our education and upskill ourselves. CapEx expenses can get very expensive depending on which purchases we make in the month. But we are happy to invest in these types of business expenses so that it can improve the quality of our videos. Although there was a time when we weren't earning very much money, so we couldn't really spend money on these types of things. But now that we are making more money, it makes sense to delegate tasks and also pay for systems that will free up our time. Investments. Now that our income is a bit more consistent, Pablo and I are comfortable investing $2,000 per month automatically. And we already have $60,000 in cash savings just in case something happens to our income. Each month we invest $2,000 per month automatically using a platform called Perla. And these are the ETFs that we invest in: IOO, ETHI, IVV, Asia, VAP, and FAIR. And if you would like more of a breakdown about how I invest $2,000 per month, you can watch this video up here. It is important to do your own research when you are deciding what to add to your portfolio, because I'm not a financial advisor. In Perla, basically what we did was we set up an ideal portfolio. After all of this is set up, Perla then automatically executes trades on our behalf, and it also automatically rebalances our portfolio. I really love this feature feature because it really just takes the stress and emotion out of investing. I mean, just the other day I was taking a nap, and when I woke up from my nap, I checked my phone, and during that time, Pearler had automatically executed a trade on my behalf. So I basically made an investment while I was sleeping. And if you would like to check out Pearler for yourself, I do have an affiliate link down in my description below. If you sign up with my link, you'll get a free brokerage credit. We save around $1,880 per month. These are the key takeaways and things that I've learned about how to manage my income. The first thing is that it's really important to diversify our income streams. Not only will this make it a little bit less risky because we're not just relying on one income stream, but then it can also increase our income as a whole. The second takeaway is to shop around for a good deal, especially on things like phone, internet, and electricity, where if you do switch providers, it really does not make a huge difference. The third takeaway is to invest in things that can make you more money or save you more time over the long term. The fourth tip is to make your money work for you over the long term with investing. My ultimate goal is to generate passive income streams, so then I don't have to trade my time for money. And finally, as you start to earn more money, try to look at other ways that you can free up some of your time, whether that be investing in software or outsourcing some tasks. Give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and write me a comment below with the word lemon in it, just so I know who watched this video all the way through. Thank you, see ya!